There are days when you feel so unproductive, so lazy that you just want to sit there, eat, binge on TV shows, movies, and simply do nothing. And that's completely fine. That's completely okay to have some lazy days, to have those days when you are doing nothing and feeling unproductive. It's completely okay. But what's not okay is not getting back on track. Hi all you beautiful souls, this is Rishvika and welcome to Minding Ways. So before we start, if you're new here, welcome to our YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. So I got a lot of messages, comments saying, Rishvika, please change your background. So I didn't have many options, but still, yeah, I tried. So I hope you like the setup, that's all I can say. So here are some tips that will help you get your life back on track. The very first point is hydrate yourself. I know, all of you will be like, Rishvika, we have heard many YouTubers, a ton of YouTubers say that. You're not saying anything new, but trust me, it's really important. Hydrating yourself might be a small thing for you, but that's a huge step towards a productive life. When you take this decision of hydrating yourself, you are actually giving yourself signals that okay, I have started taking care of myself, I have started taking control of my actions, I have started taking control of my life. So please hydrate yourself. That is a small easy step that you can take to get your life back on track. Second point is give some feed to your brain. Like our body needs nutrition to work nicely, to perform nicely, in the same way our brain needs some positive motivational doses. I call it the MVs, the motivational vitamins. I know that's a little weird, but all you science students, please pardon me and don't be like, oh, these are not vitamins and all that. Please, I know that's just my term. So yeah, the MVs, it's very important. Give your brain some motivational supplements, some motivational thoughts, some motivational videos. Okay, well, you're doing that right now, watching a motivational video, so well done. Even Pinterest, you have ton of motivational quotes, vision boards that can inspire you. So before you go to sleep, before you wake up, just look for some positive quotations, motivational quotes, motivational videos, positive videos. And this again is a very easy step in which you don't have to do much, but still you can make a small step, you can make a small move to get your life back on track. I told you, I just suggest some easy ways. Third, ask yourself questions. Ask yourself questions like, what are my goals? What are the steps to achieve them? What do I want from life? What do I want to do in life? And those questions will help you reflect on yourself. And the answers that you will give to your own questions, that will help you move forward in life, that will help you get your life back on track. Because most of the times when we feel so lost, we feel so unproductive, it is because we don't know what we want to do. It's because you have no idea, you have no clue, your mind is messy. So for those times you need to have clear-cut answers, and those answers will help you lead a more productive life. Now fourth is journal your thoughts. I always say this, that journaling is so important. Journaling is so crucial for your life, for a productive life, for a positive life. You need to release those toxins that are going on in your head, and that will only be possible when you journal. And again the same thing, journaling helps you find the answers. Journaling helps you figure out what's going on in your life, what you're feeling, what are your thoughts and everything. So yeah, journaling is very important. Fifth is reading. So recently I read a post that said, book a day keeps the stupidity away. I know that's really hilarious, but at the same time it's kind of deep, because see, yeah, reading helps a lot, and reading is again a step towards a more productive life, to get your life back on track. If you're reading a self-help book, it's amazing for your life, it's very good for your personal growth. And if you're reading fiction, you get to live a different life for some time. So isn't that amazing? So even if you're reading self-help books or fiction books, it's amazing. Just read. It's amazing for your productive life. It will benefit a lot. Now 6 is stretch your body. I'm not saying work out or go for a run, go for a jog, because I know you are feeling lazy, you are feeling unproductive, and that's why we are discussing on this topic. So I know you don't want to work out right now, and that's completely fine. So just stretch your body. You simply stretch your body, and again the same thing. You are giving signals to your body that you have started taking care of yourself. So yeah, stretching is easy, you can do that. But if you're lazy and you think that okay, I will work out, so you also know you will not work out, you will just keep on procrastinating. So you are good to go. You are giving yourself these positive signals that okay, I have started doing something, I have started being productive.
So yeah, stretchy.
So yeah, these were some simple ways or tips and tricks that will help you get your life back on track. So whenever I am feeling lazy or unproductive, I follow these steps, and trust me, they do help me a lot. So yeah, I think they will help you too. So that was it for today's video. I hope I was of some help to you guys. If you like the video, then do share it with your friends and family, because who knows, it may really be beneficial for someone. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. Like Reiki. She's always happy with her life. She don't care about anything. Reiki.
Hello.